Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to propagate lavender by making cuttings. By following these simple steps, you will be able to go from this, a single lavender plant, to this, a tray full of rooted cuttings that you can grow into mature plants. We also have some expert tips and free information set aside for our viewers who stick around until the end of the video, so stay tuned. With that in mind, let's get started. Before you begin, you will need a mature lavender plant, trays or flats filled with rooting medium, secateurs, scissors or a sharp knife, rooting hormone, and somewhere warm and sunny to keep your cutting trays. After you have collected all your supplies, you can start making your cuttings. Cut a piece of stem and try and take cuttings from softer growth, because it will root easier than woody, hardened growth. Cut the stems into smaller pieces, about 10 centimeters long. Remove the lower leaves and dip the bottoms into the rooting powder. Place the cuttings into the rooting medium and continue until your trays are full. Keep your trays in a sunny, warm and humid area. Make sure your cuttings are well watered and keep in mind the rooting medium must not be allowed to dry out. Depending on the temperature, roots should begin to grow in about 2 weeks' time. You can gently tug on your cuttings, and if you feel a slight resistance, your cuttings have started to grow roots. Once the roots have become well developed, you can transplant your lavender plugs into larger containers. And that's how easy it is to grow lavender from cuttings. If you want to boost your success, follow these 3 top tips. Tip number 1. Work fast. If you leave your cuttings unplanted and unwatered, less rooting will occur. Therefore, make sure you have all your equipment set up and ready to go before you start cutting. Tip number 2. Score the bottoms of the cuttings. When removing the lower leaves, gently scrape the stems with your secateurs or fingertips. This increases the surface area for water and hormone uptake, and it provides a larger region for roots to grow. By wounding the stems, the plant responds by producing a callus, which triggers rooting. Tip number 3. Keep your lavender cuttings in a warm, breezy area. To figure out the best growing environment for your plants, find out what area in the world they originate from. Lavender originates from the Mediterranean and thrives in hotter climates. They also benefit from warm winds, keeping them dry and aerated. Therefore, you will maximize your rooting success by keeping your cuttings in an area that can receive a gentle, warm breeze. And that brings us to the end of our video showing you how easy it is to root lavender cuttings. We hope you enjoyed, and to say thank you for watching, we have created an ebook just for you. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.